See, the today's topic is interior, exterior and boundary. Some more results I have to prove on this interior, exterior and boundary. Last result that I have proved is this one. Interior A union interior B is contained in A union B interior, but equality doesn't hold. To prove that equality doesn't hold, I have taken one example. Go through that one. These are important. What is interior of a set? Interior means set of all the interior points. What is interior point of a set? Suppose X2 be a topological space, A be a subset of X, a point X belongs to A here, interior point A belongs to A, but limit point of a set may not belongs to the set. X belongs to A is called interior point of A if there exists at least one open set G. Open set means belong to 2 is called open set. Such that X belongs to G which is contained in A. Then this is called interior point of A. Set of all the interior points is called interior of A. Now see this result. All these things I have explained in my previous period. Next result is, take this. Let X2 be a topological space. X2 be a topological space. And let capital A be a subset of X. First take this statement. X2 is a topological space and capital A is a subset of X. Then interior A is A dash closure dash. Say interior and closure, they are connected by this. Interior of A is the complement of A dash closure. Equality means interior A is contained in this and right hand side A dash closure dash is contained in interior A. Two parts are there. First we prove that interior A is contained in this. For that, two parts are there. We have A dash is contained in A dash closure because by definition of A closure, A dash is contained in A dash closure. A is contained in A closure. How to define a closure of a set? Closure means intersection of all the closure sets containing A. Intersection of all the closure sets containing A. So A is contained in A closure, therefore A dash is contained in A dash closure. Therefore, A dash closure dash is contained in A. What is the reason? Because if A is contained in B, this implies B dash is contained in A dash, where A and B are any two subsets of X. See here, this is used there. A dash is contained in A dash closure because A is contained in A closure. Therefore, A dash closure dash is contained in A dash dash. A dash dash is A. Since A dash closure is a closed set, A dash closure dash is an open set. A dash closure is closed set, therefore its complement is open set. Since interior A is the largest open set contained in A closure is smallest closed set containing A, but interior A is the largest open set contained in A. This implies from this, what is this? Is an open set. It is an open set. Therefore, A dash, this is contained in interior A. Because this is an open set containing A. Correct? Containing A. But interior A is largest open set contained in A. So, this is open set must be contained in interior A. This is first part. On the other hand, what we have to prove? We have to prove that interior A is contained in this second part. On the other hand, interior A is contained in A. Therefore, A dash is contained in interior complement of interior A. Because using this, if A is contained in B, B dash is contained in A dash. Using this, A dash is contained in complement of interior A. And what is this? It is closed set. Since interior A is open set, complement of interior A is closed set. Since A dash closure is the smallest closed set containing A dash. Correct? By definition of closure of a set, say what we have proved here. Interior A is contained in A. To prove the converse, that is interior A is contained in this, contained in complement of A dash closure. We have this one. Interior A is contained in A, therefore A dash is contained in complement of interior A. What is interior A? It is open set. Therefore its complement is closed set. But A dash closure is the smallest closed set containing A dash. This implies A dash closure is contained in this. See, because it is a closed set, but A dash closure is the smallest closed set containing A. Therefore, A dash closure is contained in complement of interior A. This implies interior A is contained in A dash closure dash. Because using this. Therefore, from 1 and 2, interior A is A dash closure dash. Try to understand what are the things used here. For that, you should know clearly what is interior, what is closure, what is complement of a set, and so on. Now, corollary to this result, immediate corollary to this result is prove that interior of A dash is A closure dash. Interior of A dash is A closure dash. Now, from the above result, corollary to above theorem it is, from the above result, interior A is A dash closure dash. This is true for, all the subsets A of X. Therefore, A dash is also subset of X. In the above result, substitute A is equal to A dash. Then you will get this one. Is this correct? Substituting A is equal to A dash, here we get this result. Because this is a standard theorem. We have proved in the previous theorem this result. It is true for any subset of X, any subset A of X. A dash is also a subset of X. Therefore, you can replace A by A dash and we get this result. Next, one more theorem. Theorem is, you take this, let X2 be a topological space, X2 be a topological space, and capital AB a subset of X. Capital AB is subset of X. Then first one, boundary of A is A dash intersection A dash closure. A dash closure. Hence, the boundary of A is a closed set. It is the intersection of two closed sets, therefore it is a closed set. Second, A closure is interior A union boundary of A. Again, two important results. You may get this type of results in the examination. First result is boundary of A is A closure intersection A dash closure. What is boundary of A? Boundary of A means it is the set of all points which is neither interior of A nor exterior of A belongs to boundary of A. So boundary of A means it is neither interior point nor exterior point. But boundary of A is given by A closure intersection A dash closure. What is A closure? A closure is, it is set of all closed sets containing A. A closure means set of all closed sets containing A. And using definition, we prove these two results. Take the first result. What is the first result? Boundary of A is A closure intersection A dash closure. Now proof of this. First one, proof. By definition of boundary of A, we have boundary of A is, what is boundary of A? Boundary of A is interior of A complement union interior of A union interior of A dash its complement. What is boundary of A? Boundary of A means set of all the points which are neither interior of A nor exterior of A belongs to boundary of A. So boundary of A can be written as this: interior A union interior A dash its complement. Now by De Morgan's laws, it is interior A intersection interior A dash, or is it interior A dash, correct? Interior A dash intersection interior A dash intersection, here it becomes intersection, it is dash its complement, correct? This is by De Morgan's laws. First, see here definition is used. What is boundary of A? Boundary of A means interior A union interior of complement of A its complement. Point which is neither interior of A nor exterior of A belongs to boundary of A. Mathematically we can write like this. Now De Morgan's laws is used. It is interior A complement intersection complement of this. But what is complement of interior A? Complement of interior A is A dash closure. This we have already proved. Therefore, A dash closure complement is interior A. Correct? Just a minute. But interior A complement is A dash closure, and one more result is that A dash interior of A dash its dash is equal to A closure. We have already these two results. This is first one, second one. Hence, boundary of A is A dash closure intersection A closure. So again we have used these two previous results here. Here we have used the definition. What is boundary of A? Boundary of A, De Morgan's laws. But interior A dash, what is that? Complement of interior of A is A dash closure. This we have already proved, and this also we have proved. Therefore, boundary of A is A dash closure intersection A closure. Therefore, it is a closed set. What is second one? A closure is interior A union boundary of A. We have boundary of A union interior A union interior of or exterior A. It is called exterior A. Boundary of A union interior A union exterior A is equal to, what is boundary of A? Say I write boundary of A as interior A union A dash interior its complement union interior A union interior of this. Say what is boundary of, we have boundary of A union interior A union interior A dash. Take this. What is boundary of A? Boundary of A means its complement. Boundary of A means set of all the points which doesn't belongs to interior A or exterior A belongs to boundary of A. Therefore complement. Interior A union exterior A complement. Union this. Union this. Now what is this? It is equal to X. This is equal to X. Therefore it is equal to X means, what is X? Boundary of A union interior A union interior A dash is equal to X. This implies boundary of A union interior A is equal to its complement. Its complement. Because here, if A union B union C is equal to X, then A union B is complement of C. A union B is complement of C. A union B union C is X, then A union B is complement of this. So we have this result. Boundary of A interior union interior A is this. Next one more result. It is like this. Let X to be a topological space. Be a topological space. Take this. I explain proof of this. And capital A be a subset of X. Capital A be a subset of X. Then first one, prove that boundary of A is contained in A if and only A is closed. A is closed, then boundary of A is contained in A. Second, boundary of A intersection A is equal to pi if and only A is open. A is open. Again, the proof depends on the what is boundary, what is interior, what is exterior, and A closure. Sometimes closure also involved here. Closure. Proof of first one. What is the first one? Boundary of A is contained in A. If and only if A is closed. Again, two parts are there. If A is closed, then A closure is equal to A. A closure is A. This we have already proved. If A is closed, A closure is A. What is A closure? A closure is interior A union boundary of A. You go through the previous one. A closure is interior A union boundary of A. Therefore, A is equal to interior A union boundary of A, because A is closed here. This implies boundary of A is contained in A. A union B is C means A union B is C, then B is contained in A. Go through the definition of union. Understand what is union. A union B is, suppose A union B is equal to C, then B is contained in C. B is contained in C. A is also contained in C. Correct? Because union, definition of union. Boundary of A is contained in A. First part. On the other hand, what is that? Boundary of A is contained in A. Boundary of A is contained in A. What do you have to prove? A is closed. Boundary of A is contained in A. Then, what is A? A is equal to A union boundary of A. We have A is equal to A union boundary of A. But interior A, this is contained in interior A is contained in A. Interior A union boundary of A. See, I have used a inclusion sign here because interior A is contained in A. Because interior A is contained in A. What does this give? This implies A closure is contained in A, because this is A closure. Interior A union boundary of A is A closure. A closure is contained in A, but A is contained in A closure. This implies A is equal to A closure. A is equal to A closure. A is equal to A closure means A is closed. Therefore, A is closed. Go through again. Proofs are based on always. You should have the previous knowledge. Then only you can understand the proof here. A is contained in A closure. Always. Correct? Because what is A closure? Intersection of all the closed sets containing A. Therefore, A is equal to A closure. A closure is a closed set. Hence, A is closed. Second part. What is the second part? Boundary of A intersection A is pi if and only A is open. If A is open, first part, A is open, then A is equal to interior A. Therefore, A intersection boundary of A is equal to A intersection. What is boundary of A? We have boundary of A is interior boundary of A is complement of this intersection A dash its complement. What is boundary of A? We have used boundary of A again already. Boundary of A is, it is the complement of interior A union exterior A. Therefore, by De Morgan's laws, we obtain this one. In boundary of A, in place of boundary of A, we substitute this. Now it is equal to, what is this? Interior A, intersection interior A dash means it is pi. It is pi. Now, converse. What is the converse? Suppose boundary of A, say first part is, for this first part is, we have taken A is open, then boundary of A intersection A is pi. Second, suppose boundary of A intersection A is equal to pi, is pi. This implies boundary of A is contained in A dash, because both the intersection is pi means boundary of A is contained in A dash. This implies, what is boundary of A? Interior A union exterior A, its complement is contained in A dash. How to define boundary of A? Boundary of A means all the points which doesn't belongs to interior A, exterior A belongs to boundary of A. Interior A, exterior A, complement is boundary of A. Boundary of A. This implies A is contained in interior A union interior of A dash. Interior of A dash, because we have used this one. If A dash is contained in B dash, complement of A is contained in complement of B, then B is contained in A. We have used this one. This implies A is contained in interior A, but interior A is contained in A. Therefore, A is equal to interior A. This implies A is open, because interior A is intersection of all the open sets, therefore it is open. This implies A is open. You go through the video again, and what you have to do is, by writing these proofs, you have to practice. You have to practice by writing the proof. And if you have any difficulties, you can ask at any time. You can ask your doubts. Now next is base and sub base. I take that in the next video.